Ah! I've been listening to you guys talk for at least 10 minutes. Hello. Yay. Hi. I found your shoes, so I knew you couldn't be too far away.